to day 5 of Learn Python in 5 minutes. Yesterday we learned about Python data types. Today we'll see how to convert between them. This is called data conversion. Okay, so what is type conversion? As it is mentioned in the slide, type conversion is like changing a value from one data to another. For example, turning a number into a string or a string into a float or number. So there's two types of type conversion. One is implicit conversion, which Python does it for you, and second is explicit conversion, which you normally do to change the functions like integer, float, or string. So let us now see some examples. We'll open our VS Code, and as you can see, I have already opened it, and our LearnPy folder is here. We're going to add another file here, that is type conversion.py. Okay, done. Then now let us put it here, a number that will contain, okay, so number, that's not it. What do I want? Okay, so a number here, a number integer, that is say 5, and another number float, that is say 2.5. Now when we're wanting a result, that will be like num integer plus num float. Then we're going to print the result as we have learned earlier how to use string. We'll use it here, and let's see what happens. So see that the computer is automatically doing our job to add any number integer with number float, and that we get 7.5 result. If we want to know the type of the result, we'll get it. Let's see, that is float. Okay, here Python converted the integer to a float automatically. Now we're gonna see some example of explicit conversion. Say string str, that is, yeah, okay. Here the 10 here is a string actually, as you can see. Then there's, I will add a number integer, and I will convert the number string into a number integer, and then I'll print it. The integer value of the string 10 is number integer. Okay, let's see what happens here. So here I've seen that at first we have put a string here, then we have converted it by typing this, and we've got this one number integer. So here we used an int bracket to change the string 10 into an integer. So let me show you some. Let me show you some common conversion functions like this: int to integer, float to float, string to string, list to list, table to table. Okay. Now some examples. Like let's give a value by, that will be like 3.14. Okay. Then I will turn this float into a string by .string, and I want to convert it into a string. Then now let's print the string representation of pi as pi star str string. Okay. Then another, I want to know the print type. So the type of the string is pi type. Okay. Let us see. Here we can see that as we have put a float pi, that is 3.14, and the string representation will also be 3.14, but the type can be seen that the type has changed from float to string. Okay, so Remember, use type conversion when you need to change how Python stores or uses a value. Try converting numbers to strings, strings to integers, and lists to tuples on your own. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe so you don't miss day 6. Here we'll talk about operators in Python. See you tomorrow.